The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB DDR4 memory kit is one of those upgrades that instantly changes how your PC feels the moment you install it. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, streaming, or running heavy multitasking workloads, having 64 GB of high-speed RAM makes a noticeable difference in everyday performance. And this particular kit combines speed, stability, and premium aesthetics in a way that still feels high-end even today. Right out of the box, the design stands out. The Trident Z RGB lineup has always been known for its aggressive aluminum heat spreaders and vibrant RGB lighting, and this version keeps that same premium look. The lighting across the top bar is bright, smooth, and customizable, making it perfect for modern gaming builds or creator workstations. It easily fits into almost any setup theme, whether your PC is RGB heavy or more minimal and clean. But performance is really where this memory kit shines. This configuration includes 64 GB total capacity using two 32 GB sticks, giving you massive multitasking potential while also leaving room for future upgrades on most motherboards. For gamers, creators, streamers, and professionals, this amount of memory provides smoother workflow performance and helps eliminate slowdowns when multiple applications are running at the same time. The 3,600 metric tons per second speed is also a major advantage for DDR4 systems. It delivers a great balance between responsiveness, gaming performance, and overall system stability. Modern games benefit from better frame consistency and smoother performance, especially in demanding open-world titles. Applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Blender, and streaming software also run far more smoothly with faster memory speeds and higher capacity. One of the best parts about this RAM kit is how simple the setup process is. Thanks to XMP support, you can install the memory, enable the XMP profile in BIOS, and instantly unlock the advertised speed without manual tuning or advanced overclocking knowledge. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly while still delivering enthusiast-level performance. Compatibility is another strong point here. The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series works well with both Intel and AMD desktop platforms, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of gaming and productivity builds. Stability during long gaming sessions or rendering tasks is excellent, and the aluminum heat spreaders help maintain cool operating temperatures under heavy workloads. For gaming setups, this memory kit helps deliver smoother overall gameplay and improved system responsiveness. While RAM upgrades may not always massively increase FPS numbers, they do improve frame pacing, multitasking efficiency, and general system fluidity. Everything from launching applications to switching between tasks feels faster and more responsive. This RAM is especially ideal for users who regularly work with 4K video editing, live streaming, content creation, heavy multitasking, or large creative projects. It's also a smart upgrade for gamers who want their systems to remain powerful and future-ready for years to come. Another huge advantage is the overall visual appeal. The RGB lighting adds a premium look to any custom PC build, especially when synchronized with motherboard lighting software. Combined with the sharp aluminum design, the Trident Z RGB kit remains one of the best-looking DDR4 memory options available. Even though DDR5 continues growing in popularity, DDR4 still offers excellent real-world performance, especially for users who already own capable DDR4 motherboards and processors. Upgrading to a high-capacity, high-speed DDR4 kit like this can dramatically improve your experience without requiring a complete platform upgrade. Overall, the G.SKILL Trident Z RGB 64 GB DDR4 memory kit delivers excellent gaming performance, strong multitasking capability, beautiful RGB aesthetics, and dependable reliability. It remains one of the best premium DDR4 RAM upgrades for gamers, creators, streamers, and PC enthusiasts looking to maximize performance while maintaining a clean and stylish build. If you want to buy this G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series DDR4 RAM 64 GB kit, then please visit the link provided in the description.